These are 5 emergency radios we examined hands-on. In this episode of Stay Ready at Home, we take a closer look at the MC102 Green. A hands-on inspection, no opinions, no recommendations, just what's in the box and how it performs. This is the original packaging of the emergency radio. Inside the box, we find the radio and its accessories. The box contains the radio, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. We then take a brief visual inspection of the radio. The device is compact and easy to handle. The radio powers on. A 4-stage battery power indicator is present. FM, AM, and weather band reception is stable. The telescopic antenna extends fully. Tuning is sensitive and requires small adjustments for precise station alignment. This model includes a single on and off flashlight. The beam is wide and suited for close-range use, suitable for reading, basic inspection, and walking. An SOS function provides a flashing light and an audible alarm. Next, we move to the electrical test. This focuses on the radio's USB power output and charging behavior. For this electrical test, the radio was fully charged. A USB meter and a constant dummy load were connected. At the USB output, the radio delivered approximately 6.1 watt-hours of usable energy. This equals about 1220 milliamp hours at 5 volts. For charging after a full discharge, the radio was connected to a stable power source through a USB meter. Charging starts at approximately 5.1 volts and 1.3 amps, around 6.6 watts. Total charge time is between 120 and 140, with just over 7 watt-hour measured. For this hand crank test, the battery was fully discharged first. The generator was then driven for 5 minutes. During cranking, a charging indicator lights up, confirming that energy is being stored. After 5 minutes of hand cranking, the stored energy was measured using a dummy load and a USB power meter. This resulted in approximately 0.11 watt-hours of energy were stored in the battery. Based on the measured charging energy, a full charge would theoretically require several hours of continuous hand cranking. For the solar test, the radio was placed in direct winter sunlight for 1 hour. After multiple attempts, no measurable stored energy was observed from solar charging under these conditions. Let's recap the key observations from this inspection. Radio, AM and FM reception works, flashlight, single on and off mode, SOS, audible alarm and flashing light, USB output, 6.1 watt-hour usable energy, USB charging, 7 watt-hour required for a full charge. Hand crank, limited energy per session. Solar, no measurable energy observed under test conditions. These tests show that this device is not meant for power delivery, but for information and light. Information matters in a crisis, and energy defines your limits. This radio does what it's designed to do, as long as you understand what it can and cannot provide. Stay informed, stay realistic, stay ready at home. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The information provided in this video is for general preparedness and educational purposes only. Always adapt solutions to your own situation and local conditions.